Well, hello there, YouTube. Had some microphone issues with this, so there's about 8 minutes worth of video prior to this. I use a different app so I don't mix up MotoVlog and daily vlog stuff. I don't know what happened. I think it was set in Bluetooth mode or something. I don't know. Anyway, this is a 2022 Sea to Sky, and I did this MotoVlog one because you guys are going to get a treat. The rides I did up in Canada, I'm going to show on this channel, just so it doesn't get things confused with the daily vlog thing that I do daily. So anyway, I talked about all that. So what I'm doing here is just kind of walking around the Sea to Sky. This freshly out of the box, hasn't been wiped down. You can see it's dusty and still got fingerprints and stuff on it. But anyway, I'm going to take you for a ride on this, and I want you to stay tuned, because on Wednesday the 10th, I'm going to release the videos that I shot up in Canada with BRP on 2023 models. I know they're going to release a podcast thing here on Sunday the 7th, and I'll be releasing my videos on the 10th, like I say. So stay tuned. This is specifically for you guys over here. So here comes the ride. All right, this is a cold start. I just lit her off. Oh man, the second you sit on a Sea to Sky seat, you just go, oh man. Wow, it hasn't been sitting outside very long. That seat is already smoking. Those clutches are so soft when they're brand new. They're set at their softest setting. So as you ride one of these from new, at first they're really soft, very gentle, almost a Joey Slip clutch kind of a feeling to them. And then if you ride aggressively, it'll adopt to that. You can actually change it. Find yourself a nice little parking lot, do about 10 launches. Like if you want this thing to just snap and grab right from the light, find a lot somewhere and do 10 aggressive launches just in a row, and then just, you know, like turn back around, do it again, and it'll quickly learn that and adjust. If you, like say you bought one of these things used and somebody was a more aggressive rider, and the clutch feels a little more quick to grab and launch than you like, you can do 10 very, very soft takeoffs, and it'll remember that. I can always tell the back. I don't know what that is. Avoid it with the front and skip it with the rear. But if you want to, what I was going to say is, I can tell how people ride them when I take them for a test ride after doing the service or whatever. Sometimes, you know, people will tell you a little story how fast they ride and how aggressive they ride. And you take their Spyder for a ride, and I'm going, yeah, not so much, but that's cool. Thanks for the story. Nothing like a Sea to Sky. The cream of the crop for the Spyders. I love this. Kind of the last stuff I was doing reviews and stuff with you guys here. Some of you guys complained, it wasn't a ride, that was a parking lot test ride. So ever since you guys have said that a bunch of times, that's what I call it, my parking lot test ride. And they go, what kind of test and review is that? Number one, not a review. A review would be something long term, you know. You can't take one ride and walk away and go this and that and whatever. Although with Spyders and BMWs, nothing ever like later on comes up. They're just fantastic right from the get-go. I either like them or I don't like them, and that's kind of the way they stay. They don't like grow on you. It's like, I hated that thing at first, and then, well, no, it's better. No, I love them right out of the gate. I really love that green. So anyway, if I don't do anything between here and the, you know, I ran into an issue with this last time where I couldn't get out, and I think I got that going on again, and I had to do a weird loop around in the, because I can't get through anywhere. You know what, I can right there. I'm sure the camera, the security guys at the store here are probably going, what in the world, some guy on one of those strange three-wheel things out roaming through our parking lot. Yeah, it's just a guy that works down the road. What do we got for temperature? Oh, it's saying 86. I don't think it's that hot. It could be. Yeah, I think it was supposed to be in the, actually I think originally it was supposed to be in the low 90s here today. Just kind of slow getting to it. Yep, a little cruise through the Toyota store. You guys are familiar with my little loops down here. Just gives me time to chit chat with you guys. There's things that I'm paying attention to as I'm riding, but yet I can it's a slow pace thing, so I have time to chit chat. Something tells me that boy ain't even gonna get out the way. Think you'll let me pass? Yeah, none of that was out there last time I rode you guys on something. I apologize for that, even though I have nothing to do with it. It's just a thing. Different folks in different positions or points in their lives or something. I don't know how you want to word that. Who cares about that? We're riding a 2022 Sea to Sky. Does it get any cooler than that? I don't think so. If you're not into Spyders, well, that's only because you haven't ridden them yet. And if you are, you'll love this. Spyders are wicked cool. You get the young guys and they don't know any better. The first person that says they're garbage and junk and dumb and whatever, in my mind, that's the first loser. You were the first one to raise your hand in class. Because I don't care what you like or whatever, these things are cool. They're unique, they're fun, very enjoyable, insanely comfortable. Long distance unit that one is. Alright, well, I'll leave it at that. Remember, August 10th, pay attention, I got some cool stuff to show you. Alright, thanks for watching now. Bye bye.